Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Mazda 6 maintenance light reset. Now, we're gonna use these buttons over here, the scroller, and the scrollers also act as a button, and the home button. And we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, go ahead and use the scroller to go to. Actually, press home. How come the scroller's not working? That's funny. I'm scrolling, but nothing's happening. Oh, there you go. Lags a little bit. Okay, go ahead and go to application and enter on it. Scroll down to vehicle status monitor, enter on that. Maintenance, enter on that. All the way down to oil change, enter on that. All the way down to reset, enter on that. And reset, yes. And there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.